Hi, welcome to Delcy. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon in order to get every valuable video that we post. If you have done all, let us get started. The most valuable video of today. Hello guys, welcome to Delcy. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can write AdSense approval article. So you know that a lot of us, we know that AdSense disapproves our website many times. Did you ask that question your mind? So when I asked my mind, it said to me, oh, the reason that AdSense rejecting me is for one thing. It is low value content, and low value content can cause the copy paste, the copy and the article that you have copied from other side, and then you have pasted to your site. It can cause just like that. If you if you write an article which is a little, even if it is 100 words, and then it is unique, that's for you. That's right, totally AdSense will approve you. So in this way and in this video, you will learn how to write an article which is 100% approved by AdSense. This is a bait trick, and this trick I use many times to get AdSense approval. Please guys, please, I'm going to share with you for free right now. If this is your first time you visited our channel, please make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon, and also to press the like button for appreciation. So let's get started guys. Without delaying much time, let's get started. So at the first time guys, I know that a lot of you are not using this browser. Let me show you the browser. So this browser a lot of you are not using, so you should to download this browser from the Play Store, right? So once you download this Play Store, this app from the Play Store, then you click just like this. Let me show you. So you come here just like this. Then here you write, I'm going to add an extension to my Chrome, right? So please go with me. The reason that I am using my smartphone is I know that a lot of you are not using their computer, their laptop for in the market. They cannot use in the market, they cannot use in learning, and they cannot use in every place. So it is a heavy, but your smartphone, every time you use your smartphone and you go with wherever you go. So really, that's why that I am recording this video with my smartphone. So guys, go with me, and right now I'm going to add an extension to my Chrome. So in order to add an extension to your Chrome, just this extension will allow for us to give us a lot of features to our ChatGPT account. So then you write this. I'm going to write. So guys, this is the extension. So I'm going to add this extension. It is called AIBRM for ChatGPT. So this extension, you should add this extension to your Chrome. Let me show you right now. Here you see remove from the Chrome. You see that it says remove from the Chrome. So already I have added this extension to my Chrome, right? To my browser. So, and it is saying remove from the Chrome. I'm not going to remove it. Even if this is your first time you are going to add this extension to your Chrome, it will say to you add to the Chrome. Then you click add to the Chrome. Then it will say to you add as an extension. Then you select add as an extension, right? So everything is clear. Once you select and once you add this extension to your Chrome, this extension is known as AIBRM for ChatGPT, right? So once you add it, it will appear from here. So then you select here, you select extension, then you will see just like this. Right now you see this extension. We have added this extension to our Chrome. Let's get started and let us access our ChatGPT account right now. So in my case, I'm going to access my ChatGPT account. Let me access it. So guys, as you see right now, I have accessed my ChatGPT account. So you see, so as you see, I have accessed my ChatGPT account. So the only thing that you are seeing from here is a lot of features. So I'm getting a lot of features for my ChatGPT account. So while you're using only ChatGPT, you won't get all these features. You see all these features. So all these features will allow you to write an article which is 100% human and SEO optimized article. So as you see, money features. There is a money features. So how can I use this ChatGPT account which has these money features? So the only thing that you're going to do is to follow my tips and my tricks. I'm going to use a lot of websites to create an article which is 100% which is 100% approved by AdSense. Right? Let's get started, guys. So right now what you can do is to copy the title or the keyword that you are going to write something. So in my case, I'm going to select right now, click here, I'm going to select travel. So there is another keyword that you can talk. Anyway, any keyword that you are going to talk, I don't mean that. So travel, I have selected travel. So you can select the title, the full title, you can select and you can put it here, right? So please guys, go with me. Yeah, everything I will do for you, everything. So guys, go with me. Here I have selected, let me show you here. So here I have selected travel. So here I have selected travel, and the other thing that I'm going to select right now in here is human. This one I'm going to select the first one, which is human written 100% unique SEO optimized article. So let us see the result and how ChatGPT will write for us this keyword. So once you select this one, it will appear here. As you see, it is appearing from here. So once you see from here, so the next thing that you're going to do is to send to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will start writing an article about travel. So look at here, it is very beautiful. So it is not the previous article. So the previous article was ChatGPT, oh, write for me this and this and this, yeah, and answer this question. It was just like that. But this is writing for you an article which is 100% just something that has been written by a human being. Yeah, it looks like just like that. So once ChatGPT and has written for you your article, right now in my case ChatGPT has written a little bit article. So guys, if you're going to continue this article, if you say to ChatGPT, please continue this article, so you can continue at that time by selecting continue generating. So anyway, in my case, this is an example. I'm not going to continue it. So I'm going to select only this part. So once you are using your smartphone, here is the copy. So you copy from here. Then right now I have copied the article that ChatGPT has written for me. This article is 100% human. Yeah, human. But right now we are going to check whether it is Plagiarism or whether it is unique. If it is unique, that is what we were looking for. If it is Plagiarism, then we are going to rewrite it, and then we are going to remove those Plagiarism, then to allow our article to be 100% unique. So guys, this trick and this tip that I'm going to share with you right now, there is no one else will share with you. So the only thing that you can do is to be one of our friends and to subscribe your channel. This is your channel, so the channel that you're getting a lot of benefits. This is your channel. Please subscribe it and also press the bell icon in order to get every valuable video that you post. So guys, don't forget to press like button for appreciation in order to reach this video a lot of people. So let's continue our video without delaying much time. Let's continue it. So guys, the next thing that you're going to do is right now I'm going to check whether this article is Plagiarism or not. So here you write duplicate checker, right? Duplicate checker. So guys, once you write duplicate checker, it will, yeah, this is the first one. You select the first one. This is the first one. So I'm going to select right now the first one. So the first one, so right now it has been accessed. So this is the dashboard of the duplicate checker, and it can check whether your article is Plagiarism or not. So in my case right now, I'm going to paste the article that I have copied from ChatGPT to here. Then once you paste it to here, everything will be like this. So it will show you here the number of your article. This is the number of words of my article. So as you see, it is 474. So then you select here and then you select check Plagiarism. Let us see the result. So guys, we are waiting the result. Please cool. Let us cool. So boom, as you see guys, everything is clear right now. So this website has classified everything, the part of the Plagiarism and the part of the unique. So here you see a part of our article is Plagiarism and a part of them is unique. So what can we do right now? So 82% is unique and 18% is Plagiarism. So how can we remove these 18%? We can remove it, as you see this one. Yeah, here ChatGPT copied from other websites, then it has pasted to our article. So you see, it has written for you something that it has copied from other websites. So ChatGPT, it is magic. So guys, these are the websites that has been copied. These are the websites. So what can we do right now? I know that this video is taking long time. Please guys, this is very valuable for you. Don't hesitate. Short video won't be valuable for you. So the next thing that you're going to do is right now we have copied the article. So and right now you see this article is getting 18% Plagiarism. So we shall remove it. How can we remove it? So right now here you should to write something called spin bot, right? Spin bot. This is one of the greatest tip that I use mostly to get AdSense approval. This is a tip that I have tested, guys. Please believe me and believe me many times. So once you click to a spin bot, it will appear just like this. All the links I will put in our Telegram channel. Please, you can access and you can get all these links from our Telegram channel. You should to join it. It is the description. So right now I'm going to click paste text. So I have pasted the text that I have copied already from ChatGPT. So this text is looking better. So let me click to basic spin. It is going to rewrite us this article, and this article right now it will be 100% unique, right? So this tool has written for us, rewritten for us this article. So what can we do right now? We have copied. You should to copy it. Once you copy, then come back to duplicate checker, right? Come back to duplicate checker, then once again check it. So as you see, this is this is the dashboard of duplicate checker. Then I'm going to paste the article that I have copied from a spin bot here. So once you paste it here, so you should to follow the previous step. You select here, then also you select check Plagiarism. So let us check once again Plagiarism. So as you see guys, it is going to scan. It is scanning whether this article has a Plagiarism or not. So everything I will show you the result. So let us wait and let us be cool once again. So guys, boom, as you see, everything is once again, it is clear. So as you see, our article right now is 100% unique. This article will be approved by AdSense. Really, there's no another way that you can write an article. So if there's other way, I will share with you. There's a lot of tricks to write an article which is 100% approval by AdSense. So the other tricks I will share with you. So the only thing that you needed to do is, once again, if this is your first time you visited our channel, please make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon in order to get every valuable video that we post daily. So right now, once your article is 100% unique, what else are you going to do? Please don't ask me that. You should to copy your article, then directly paste to your website, right? Everything is clear, as I hope. So I will share with you the other tips and where I get images which is 100% fully approved by AdSense. So in the next video, guys, once again, if this is your first time you visited our channel, I am sharing with you these resources for free. Please, please, and please, and please, you should to subscribe our channel and you should to be one of our friends. If you want all these links that I have used, even the extension that I have added to my Chrome, it is under this the description. The description of this video, you will get the link of our Telegram channel. Then you have to access it. You will get every link from there. So I hope that until we meet like this video, guys, bye bye.